United Aircraft Corporation, a subsidiary of the state corporation Rostec, announced on Thursday that it has delivered the Su-57 and Su-35S fighter jets to the Russian military. The state-controlled United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, said in a statement the new fighter jets have passed a full cycle of factory tests, tested in various operating modes by pilots of the Ministry of Defense. Today, Russia's aircraft manufacturing enterprises are gaining a good pace of production, continuing to supply combat equipment to our troops. In particular, Rostec's enterprises are distinguished by their well-coordinated work. The Komsomolska-on-Amur aviation plant has handed over the next series of Su-57 and Su-35S aircraft to the Russian Air Force. The deliveries are part of the state defense order, and by the end of 2023, the Russian forces will receive the next line of aircraft. I would like to point out that the Russian armed forces' needs for reliable and highly efficient equipment can be met in a timely manner thanks to the work of the Coordination Council under the government of the Russian Federation, said Russian Industry and Trade Minister Denis Manchurev. The Russian Air Force has received a batch of Su-57s as part of the plan to fulfill this year's state defense order. The remaining fifth-generation combat vehicles scheduled for delivery this year are in the final assembly line and are also being tested at the flight test station, UAC CEO Yury Slyusar said. We have also handed over the third batch of Su-35S this year. The airplanes of the next stage are in high readiness for production. Meanwhile, the Dutch open-source intelligence website Oryx, which has been collecting visual evidence of military equipment losses since Russia's invasion began on February 24, 2022, has said that Russia has lost at least 4 new Su-35 fighter jets in Ukraine.